many people they become blessed?
Exactly.
Most of people they'll say, be blessed this Sunday, next week be blessed, that they would be blessed, but
30
you understand
years,
you are not
be
reflecting blessings. Mina khona ngitshela abantu ngithi, I won't preach God who is poor. I want to preach God who is rich. Ngifuna upreach uNkulunkulu abantu bambone kimi. Angithi mina ngoma ethi mbone kimi, uyaphila kimi. Nawe ungamthatha, nami ngamthatha. Ngamagama uNkulunkulu lesimkhonzayo, we need people we need to be a mirror of what God. Umuntu uNkulunkulu emkhalele ngepodcast yamathi kodwa wow, God is great. 34K subscribers. You know, people they shall see God in the result because ama result wethu are the product of our decisions.
Yeah.
So manje, since it's like is against into wrong, ne? Like, are there any possible ways to like turn back when into right? Lenzima, because like I want to they suffer from goods. Okay, lay is like ngavuka ngiphuze but ukuthandaza every day faster, uba consistent kunzima. So like benze njani like ukuthi babe on the right track.
That's why I'm saying it's not easy to do what is right. The most powerful thing is to decide.
Yeah.
The most answer of all answers. Uma singathi thandaza, ma ungadecideanga uyothandaza ubuyele ebhiyeni. Phela kunabantu abathandaza eTavern. You know, kunabantu abahlabelela iwosana, uza ukuthi iworship akeleli. Lithi praise the Lord ugcuma iTavern yonke. You know, it's because of why the most answer that will give you is that the most thing owayona is to do right decision in your life.
Yeah.
You might be sometimes kunomuntu okhonza isonto le fake. Uwazi kahle ukuthi le fake. But because what is not there, ukudecide. Kunomuntu today uyisangoma but wazi kahle ukuthi akabizelwanga ubusangoma. Wazi kahle ukuthi you are a great vision. You know very well ukuthi uma ungayeka le ngubo zonke nalobuhlalo bonke lobo, you can become a better prophet that ever people never expected, a rich one without uhamba ucola abantu imali uthatha inkukhu banike inyongo. Bayenzani inyongo ngoba idliwe. So I'm trying to say the most thing that fate you owe to yourself is to do a right decision. Not noma singathi thandaza khona abathandazayo but still they still lack because the decision they didn't change but they are present in prayer but their decision are still weak. So the most thing that you owe to yourself is a right decisions. You know, when you do right decision the results will tell. We are product of our decisions. You know what, one thing about decision, it's personal.
Yeah.
I decision akusi lesiyenza sisonke la ngithiwa hey decide gift ukuthi uyahamba uyashada noma ushadi ngizoyenza personal decision and nomuntu engizomshada ngiyo decide njani personal ukuthi uyamthanda wena bhekisisa awumthandi. If it's my decision, full stop. My decision is not a comma. My decision is not a exclamation mark. It's a full stop. Once you decide, no matter what we say, hey, no matter what faith here, you're still going to continue because of why your decision. It's your full stop of what you can do better in your life. Yes. Angiphendule wonke ama questions.
Awaphenduli awakawacedi. Isikhathi
uyasizwa.
Yiso leso. Hayi bo prophet ungenzani?
Part 3.
Part 3. Namhlanje ngathi motivational speaker nje ukwenye level ngane mo fire today yes motivate uyasusa make a right decision. Babukeli, make a right decision. To come right with God is for you to take a decision and to take a platform of saying kumnandi kona ne but I need to stop and follow him because of even him holding that cross, it was not easy, but he did it for us so that us, we can have a better life and making a good decision of following him. Pastor Gift, over to you, my brother.
Mina, I will say my ritual or my culture sentence, it's an honor. There's better people that you're going to invite. But when I was abantu phela. So I'm graced. I'm favored as well. So it's an honor to me. I'm a motivational speaker. I'm also a motivational speaker, by the way. I'm a poet. I'm a gift, you know. I'm a many things that people, they never think. I'll change.
Like your name is Gift, Vel.
It's Gift.
Bennett.
Bennett Liek. Ngizonda kabe wathi Bennett bangathi uyangithuka. Umama wanginika ngana idea. So elika Gift, it's a declaration.